Northeastern India ki Leadership Development for College Principals haiba numit mangani chupna chathagadaba orientation cum workshop haukre. Workshop asi National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration NIEPA New Delhi amasung DM University ki Education Department ga khutsamaduna DM College of Arts ki auditorium da pangthokpane. Thauramadu saruk yakhiba DM University ki Vice Chancellor Professor W Chan Babu na workshop asi da Northeast ki state taruk ke tongan ba college singi principal nifu nithoina saruk yari leadership ta focus tauduna pangthokliba workshop asina Northeast lairiba college sing asida anoba change sama purakna ba hotnabane loina na malem tongan ba maming lairaba institute singda laibak asige mahiroi singna mai pakna dominate tauduna mahaitamle maramasina workshop asi mayamna maruoiba workshop amani haiki Thauramadu DM University ki makhada laiba college sing principal sing Oja Singh amadi ICSSR Silong ki director Professor Vagirathi Panda amasung NIEPA ki program coordinator Dr. Sangita Angomsu sarukyakhi.
India's focus has also changed drastically, and that we have seen in the last few years' time. The way the NEP is implementing across India, and it's just because of that, how our relationship with other parts of the world, other institutions across the world, should be maintained, what level, what capacity, and how we are going to collaborate. This is also one of the areas which is basically emerging at the moment. And I believe in this 2 days training program, we are going to focus on 2 perspectives. One is all about academic leadership, which is very important, and it even includes concept of the importance of graduate outcome and its relevance, and how to make institutions keeping relevant to our own society, economy, and nation.